Nature's energy rolls out of us on golden horns of light. As energy rolls out of us on golden horns of light.